EKEDC Power Connect. EKEDC Power Connect. EKEDC Power Connect. EKEDC Power Connect. Your reliable program to access all the information you need to know about a co-electricity distribution company. EKEDC. EKEDC Power Connect. This is EKEDC Power Connect. Let's go on a pleasure ride into the world of knowledge and information with a co-electricity distribution company.
In the design and construction of any structure, either for residential or any other purpose, adequate consideration must be given to the safety of human lives and equipment in the building. One way to ensure that human lives and property in a building or structure are not exposed to electrical hazard is through proper earthing or grounding of the building. In today's edition of EKEDC Power Connect, we take a critical look at the practice of earthing in domestic wiring and installation. What really is earthing and how important is it? Do house owners and residents have enough knowledge of the importance of earthing in the building they occupy, and how is it to be done? First, we went to town to probe into how much knowledge of earthing house owners and residents possess. Here are the responses we got.
I have heard about it, but truth is, I don't really know what it's all about. I've heard electricians talk about the earth and all that, but I have not ever taken the time to find out what it means or what the function is in wiring or electric.
So in the house you live presently, have you ever bothered to know about the earthing status of the house?
Not at all, sir.
It's a long thing that they usually erect on top of the house or below the ground to stop maybe thunder strike or something, thunderstorm. So we just believe that it should be in every house.
In electrical field or in electrical system is that earthing is used to remove unnecessary charges in shop, after electrical installation. Did you understand? A situation whereby, like let's say maybe in a new building now, you understand, sometimes due to rain and some other things, there might be glitch in the wires.
Appliances that is not well earthed and you have your kids around, when touching that, it's going to have a very harmful impact on them. But if it is well done, I feel it's going to help the kids in the house, and it's going to put the parents at a very restful mode that their kid is not going to play with food, they're going to hurt or they're going to cause anything harmful to them.
In order to reduce electric shock, so once the house is fully grounded, then there won't be shock in the house. So what is used is once you get earth rod, the 2 earth rod, then people still use shampoo and salt. Basically, earth just have 2 earth rod.
Yes, you're welcome back. It's still EKEDC Power Connect from Naija 102.7. When I don't hear the thing where people talk, many people never know what the earthing is all about. And do you fall into that category of those who know little about earthing? You don't need to worry, as the next segment is about an expert, Engineer Kiboboye, who explains the concept of earthing and how to go about it. So let's go to hear what Engineer Kiboboye has for us on this program.
Earthing or grounding, as you call it, some instances you call it earthing, some instances you call it grounding. And it's just for 3 things. It's just to protect us from short circuits. It's just to protect our equipment, move from short circuits. How does it come?
Because after this one is going to eat straight into 4 feet. So we now have 10 minutes. No, we have 10 minutes to the end of the program. So if we're going to do phone, the program will take just 1 minute,
7 minutes
for just phoning alone, and then you close up.
Sometimes, years ago in Porako, a man sat in front of his TV when there was lighting in his house because he didn't do anything. The lightning struck happened, and what happened? The television melted. The following day, the man, just because
you have the number, Abi? Our numbers.
Used to be
yes, thank you very much.
You have
have
it.
to do
I don't have
the
it.
following day because they told it there was no anything that when we did the assessment. So it's a very important installation that we need to do. But why people choose to run away from it is because of the cost at times, and there are levels that you can do. So when in some instances we call it earthing, and when you are doing earthing, it's just to connect the metallic part of that device to the general ground, to the ground. And to do that one, we use rod, you can use rod. All what you need to do is make sure that the rod is conducting, it's a copper rod. You drive it to about 8 feet inside the ground, and you connect your cable there. Then when you talk of grounding is another aspect of it, but we use the word interchangeably. So what you normally do, what happens is that in case of grounding, it's more involving, apart from safety, in terms of the operation and the functional aspect of that particular equipment. So invariably, when you look at it, all of them, when you either you call it grounding or you call it earthing, what it does is one, to protect human lives, two, to protect equipment, number three is to do what they call voltage stabilization, number four, lets you to the extent of building a house, you should be able to protect it. It's just like you have a car, and they are now asking you, just put a little, put just something that protects you. Not in your street, you put just little security. The cost of that security is far lower than the cost of your home.
If earthing is as important as has been explained by Engineer Akinboboye, why then do many people not bother about it when building their house? He speaks further.
We have situations where those who are even doing the job, people like to patronize all these electricians, and most of these electricians don't even know. All what they know is okay. There is, my oga said there should be a netting. So what they do is to just look for a cable, connect it somewhere, and connect it to the DB, to the base of the DB, and that's a distribution box. So they don't want to know whether it's actually conduct what kind of pipe. And some will go to the market and tell you that they are buying copper rod. Meanwhile, it's an it's an iron rod instead of copper rod. So when you want to do that one, make sure that it is copper rod. But when you want to buy copper rod, people look at it that, oh, okay, it will add it to my expenses. So people just don't bother about it and say, okay, it won't happen. And that's why people don't.
Oh, yes, you're welcome back. It's still EKDC Power Connect on Nigeria FM 102.7. Yes, don't hear people who don't know anything about anything. I don't hear the experts' opinion and education. Well-researched education on everything and how to go about it. This segment is for you. How much do you know about everything? Have you heard about that word before? and how the thing take affect you. Do you have buildings? Do you live in a house, either as a resident or as a landlord? How do you now begin from the information you have heard from engineer Akiboboyi on how to go about it to protect yourself, to ensure safety in your premises? Our number is studio line is 0700 1000 102, 0700 1000 102. The other number is 090 8285 8887. 090 8285 8887. That's the WhatsApp number. So call us. Let's get to know what you think about this topic. Yes, Demola?
I think it's been such an enlightening moment with the insight thrown into what earthing is, because not many people bother about this device called earthing. People just build house and then they feel that. In fact, you heard him talk about the story of a man whose television set went up in flames. And there are so many people will have had such an experience. I want to believe that our listeners today will learn so much, that it is one thing, to build a house. It is another thing to secure it against hazards. And one of those things you can do to secure your house against hazards, especially electrical shock and damage to your equipment, is to ensure that your house is properly held.
Yes, good evening. Yeah. Let's get to meet you. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Mr. Patrick calling from Volks, Ojo.
Mr.
Patrick.
Mr. Patrick. Okay, Patrick. From Volks, Ojo.
Calling from Volks, Ojo.
Okay.
But you want to, we're not been getting light as we are supposed to be getting light. It's already at night. And that night, before 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, they don't start.
When do you normally get supply?
We normally get light at times to 8 o'clock in the evening.
Okay.
Before 4 o'clock, you don't take it right.
Before 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
Okay.
And I don't want to complain again. You see, anytime there's heavy rain,
okay,
the light will be on. And this thing makes someone to be afraid of all these transformers that normally blow.
When there is rain, what do you say happens?
I said, anytime there's heavy rain and wind,
yes,
you keep the light on. Maybe there's no light now, as there's no light now. When there's rain now, and wind, you see the switch on.
Okay. So when there is wind and rainfall, heavy rainfall, that's when he has light.
Okay.
And he
gets
afraid.
He gets afraid.
The way current and the water doesn't move together.
Okay, thank you very much. The point is noted. Give us your number, please.
Okay, my number is 081.
Okay. Go ahead.
47.
Yes.
013.
013, yes.
702.
702. Thank you. That's Mr.
But
Patrick.
you know one thing, Banji.
Okay, let's ask him about earthing, our topic.
Our topic, because
you did
he's
not
talking
respond
about
to our...
being afraid.
Yes.
When there is rain and then there is light.
Have you heard about earthing
Is
before?
your house properly healthy?
Have you heard about earthing before?
No.
No, it's your first time of earth. Did you listen to this program from the beginning? All right. Our topic is about earthing, and that's the proper way to secure your property and your lives. That's in a building, your premises.
Well, I'm only a tenant too.
It doesn't matter.
Tenant, your life is also very important too, either as a tenant or as a landlord. So, please get to know more about earthing and secure your life, either as a tenant or a landlord. Thank you very much, Mr. Patrick.
Okay.
We would actually convey your experience to the right people. That's concerning the epileptic power supply.
Okay, I think we have another caller. Hello.
Good evening.
Who is on with us? Your name, please.
Oluwaseyi. From where?
Satellite Town.
Satellite Town. Okay. Okay.
Okay. We can hear you now. Hello.
She said she ordered for prepaid.
For prepaid.
Okay.
Yes, but they have not bring my prepaid now.
Okay, when did you?
11th. I made my payment on the 11th of this month.
Okay.
That's
less
than 3 weeks.
That's okay. You just say we will want to appeal. Why will we convey your message, to the appropriate quota? But then we will want to plead that you exercise some patience. It's usually meters are given, as people apply. So please just exercise some patience. It will get to your.
Don't allow her to go. Ask her about earthing.
Okay. Have you ever heard about earthing before?
Yes, I'm just hearing it for the very first time.
You are just hearing it for the first time. Please go and check the earthing status of the house you live in. We have another caller.
All right. Who do we have here?
Okay.
Yeah, good evening. What's the name?
Calling from Ajigule Apapa, Lagos.
Okay, Abdullah from Ajigule Apapa. Yeah, let's say what is the issue?
My complaint, how many complaints about this our life issue?
Yes, sir.
Normally, in line from line to Ayutthaya to the future, you are enjoying the light.
You are enjoying the light?
Yes, you are enjoying the light. There is light.
Okay.
Light should be common everywhere.
Okay.
But there is issue happen on Saturday. On Saturday, there is one woman driving. As we want to enter the corner to road, the jam one pole. Then you go further, the light spark, everything gets off, everywhere I cut it down. So that's why the next day, NEPA did not need to come early because of the rain. No, it happened on Friday, then on Saturday, NEPA come. So before NEPA come, then everything is not how to do.
Anyway, we've gotten your complaint. We've gotten your complaint, and then it is noted down. It will be attended to. It will be treated, appropriately. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abdullah from Ajigule Apapa. So the number again is we can take one more call. All right, I'm being told to wind. So that's our package today, and we'd like to appreciate those who called in and to also assure them that all the issues raised will be addressed before the next episode of the program. Earthing is the topic that's talking about safety, and from what we have discovered on this edition, from our Vox Pop, from the expert opinion, a large percentage of our people don't know much about earthing, and that's bad enough. I think people should go and re-educate themselves and do something to secure their properties, to secure their lives. But Demola, I think we have to have a package here before we leave.
I think we should. Our expert still has something to say, because the question is, when you do earthing, some people will even do earthing, and the house was built 30 years ago, and that was the last time earthing was checked. Is it supposed to be a one-off? Our expert.
So let's leave
our audience with that expert opinion.
When you are doing earthing, if you do it that point where you have your rod to the ground, is a point where you need to service regularly, and that's why we say do like 8.2 feet into the ground, and make sure that you have it. And what I normally advise people is you can actually put a cement block like 4 to mark out that same spot. And there are some instances where they sell what they call chamber. They call it a chamber, very small in the market. It's already done. And it's cheap. Just put it there and ensure you check it regularly. Especially during dry season, it's important that we wet it, we put water there. If we can even go to the extent of adding salt into the water.
So that's the package.
Power Connect. Power Connect.